Oh, geocache. Oh, hey, what's going on? Hey, I'm just doing a little bit of geocaching here. Looks like I found myself a geocache on my way to a super iconic area. But I want to let you guys know that this right now is going to be my intro to my geocaching network video. So let me log this cache real fast and then I'll catch up with you guys in just a little bit. Woohoo! We are here! We're here, and you're not gonna believe where we are because this is the greatest place ever. I'll be right back. Alright, so anyway, now you can see where I am. I'm at the original stash. That's where I decided to give you my introduction video for the geocaching network. So anyway, my name is Geojerry. I'm from Geojerry's Adventures. So in 2003, I got a ranger job up at Mount St. Helens. And that's when I got my first chance to use a GPS. I had never heard of geocaching. I had no clue what it was. So I got to use my GPS. I was just using it for other things as being a park ranger and just using it for mapping things out and stuff like that. Well, I ended up moving to Vancouver, going to school there, and I had a son, and my mother-in-law had heard about geocaching. And she goes, hey, why don't you try out geocaching? And I was like, what is it? She goes, you go find things that are hidden. I was like, all right, I'll give it a go. So I went to geocaching.com, signed in, got myself an account, Geojerry7. Hey, why don't you be my friend if you want. If you want to go to geocaching.com and search up Geojerry7 and be my friend, that'd be cool. Part of the Friends League. Anyway, so I signed up geocaching.com, got myself a geocaching name. I've been geocaching since 2007 when I found my very first geocache with my son, who's the cameraman right now. And from when we started there in 2007, we just never stopped. We just continued on, and it's been a super fun activity. I started filming YouTube videos, I don't know, a year or two, well, probably about 2 years ago or so. Kind of hit and miss in the very beginning because I had no clue what I was doing. Now I'm a little bit more getting better at it, I think, at least doing my best. I've been to the headquarters. I've been to this place more than once. I've hit the Triad here in Washington. Well, now I'm in Oregon right now. Anyway, so it's a cool location, and that's all I got. All right, I will see you guys later. Hey, don't forget, subscribe to Geojerry's Adventures. Hit that like button and share it with your friends. This place is cool. See you later.